Hello everybody, it's Chris here. So another video update. So I got all this cleaned out. I had trimmed this down from where I had the layout before, and there was sawdust everywhere. So I got my wet vac and to make sure it was spotless. I went and I vacuumed up everything I could. And unfortunately I didn't glue a lot of the ballast down. So on top of the sawdust, I vacuumed up ballast. So basically, that's all that's in the wet vac right now. And I'll go and pour it out. And I'll get a sieve. And I'll separate it out. And that way I can reuse the ballast. But I've also gotten some work done on the corner there. And got more wood today. Start making the swing gate that's got to go across here. I've been wanting to work on this for the past couple of days, but I was got an infection in my jaw. I'm just now on antibiotics, and I'm actually already starting to feel better. So, we have to do some painting tomorrow as well. I start working on, start over here, start building the superstructure for the one side of the swing gate. So it'll take a little bit more time, but we're getting there. It's really going to be an interesting concept of how this is going to happen. So, if anybody had seen a post about me ordering those, pre-ordering those Rapido hoppers that has the sodium chlorate hoppers, I've decided that they're actually used, well, sodium chloride is used for herbicides. So I'm going to, along the back wall in the back there, make a herbicide manufacturer. And over on top of where the refrigerator is going to be where my Samco food distributors, which was originally going to be down here, but it just did not have enough room. So, yeah. So we're getting there. In 2 weeks or so, I should be able to have everything that I need to completely get the swing gate done, and then we'll go from there. Bit by bit, we'll have a layout up and operating again soon, hopefully. All right, until then, happy motor railroading. Peace out.